What do you think happens when you put a snake in front of a baby? An actual snake. Most people would guess the baby cries, screams, crawls away as fast as possible. But that's not what happens. Babies? They just stare. Some even reach out to touch it. No fear, just curiosity. Which means something pretty wild. Fear isn't something we're born with. It's something we learn. Part 1. The visual cliff. In the 1960s, psychologist Joseph Campos decided to test this. He built something called a visual cliff. Imagine a glass table. One side looks solid. The other side looks like a drop, a cliff. But it's all glass, totally safe. Then he put babies on it, different ages. Here's where it gets interesting. The 6-month-olds, they crawled right to the edge, didn't hesitate, just kept going. The 10-month-olds, same setup, but they stopped. Some backed away, looked careful. What changed in those 4 months? They learned. Somewhere between crawling around and falling off the couch, they figured out high places equals might fall equals hurts. Fear. Learned. Part 2. The snake thing. But here's where it gets even weirder. Campos and his team put snakes in front of babies, spiders too. Stuff that we as adults think is just naturally terrifying. Younger babies, nothing. No reaction. One kid even tried to grab the snake. Older babies, different story. They backed up, got quiet, watched the snake like it might explode. So what's the deal? When does this kick in? Turns out, around age 1, babies start doing something called social referencing. Fancy term. Simple idea. They watch their parents. Mom sees a spider, jumps, screams. Dad sees a snake, backs away fast. Baby's brain is taking notes. Okay, spider equals mom freaked out equals bad. Snake equals dad, scared equals dangerous. We're not born afraid of snakes. We're taught to be. Part 3. Your fear map. Now think about your own fears. If you're scared of dogs, did something happen? Got chased? Bitten? Scared of water? Maybe you went under once. Couldn't breathe?
Me.
Heights? Fell off something as a kid? But here's the thing. A lot of your fears, nothing even happened. You just heard things growing up. Don't touch that, it's hot. Get down from there, you'll fall. Stay away from that, it's dangerous. Your brain built a fear map, but most of it, other people drew it for you. Part 4, you can redraw it. Okay, so fear is learned. That's kind of depressing, right? Actually, it's the opposite, because if fear is learned, it can be unlearned. There's this method psychologists use called systematic desensitization. Big words. Simple process. Let's say you're terrified of snakes. Step 1, look at a cartoon snake, like a cute little drawing. Your brain goes, huh, weird, but okay. Step 2, real snake photos. Your heart rate goes up a bit, but you're still fine. Step 3, snake videos. Watching snakes move. Your brain's alarm is louder now, but you're still just sitting there. Safe. Step 4, see a real snake through glass. At a zoo, whatever. Your brain is screaming, but you're also seeing, I'm okay. It can't reach me. Step 5, touch the snake. Maybe not day 1, but eventually. Every step is the same message. See, we didn't die. Neuroscience has a fancier word for this, recoding. The old fear pathways are still there, but you're building new ones, stronger ones. Ending. So here's what I want you to take from this. That fear you're carrying, it's not weakness, it's not a flaw. It's something you learned to keep yourself safe. Some of those lessons just expired. They don't apply anymore, and you can update them. Fear is just a map someone else drew for you. It's time to start redrawing your own. If this helped you see your fears differently, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the human brain.